Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get girls on the Monkey app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is go ahead and download and install the Monkey app from your Player App Store and make sure the app is fully updated. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up Monkey app. You might need to sign into an account or create a new account. I suggest creating a new account if you don't have one using your Google account. Now, once we've done that, come to the home page here and it says start. Tap the start video chatting, and there's 400,000 people chatting at this current time. Now, once you're inside of here, because you want to click on the home tab, and then from here, you want to go ahead and click onto both. And then it will say, now on this page here, it will say gender. So if you want to do both, guys only, girls only, but obviously you want to do girls only if you are a guy. So click on girls only, and if you click start match, what's going to happen, they're going to say here with Monkey Plus. So now you need to sign up to their subscription or Monkey Plus or Monkey Plus Plus. So you can pay to win basically. So you got they should have discounts here on a 7-day or 30-day. Now if we scroll down here, if I want to do 70 days with 30% off, it will say discount on your first subscription is $8. This is Australian for 7 days. So you want to go ahead and click onto that. And then it will say here, Google Play, if you've got your card linked, you've got to pay for that. Click subscribe. Then after you subscribe to that, it'll take you back, and then you're only going to get girls only on your Monkey app.